Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today, we are going to be talking about fall decor, but what I'm doing for my alcove area. Taking you guys back a little bit, I had a lot going on in this area here. Mirrors, and to be honest with you, I think I went a little bit too far to the left in the farmhouse decor. I am not farmhouse. My style is a lot more transitional, but I loved these chairs and I wanted to decorate and make something happen around the chairs and create a style around the chairs, and it just didn't work out. The chairs are no longer, but the table, I am going to reutilize it, and I can't wait to share with you guys how I updated that table so that it doesn't look as farmhouse, but it looks more transitional, more of my style and my taste. Let's get into this video, and I want to show you guys what I'm doing for this area. Keep in mind, remember that back wall is a white 5x1 board that I installed, vertical planked, because again, I thought I wanted to dive into farmhouse just a little bit. So now I'm calling my #1 a wallpaper installer. Shout out to Chris, because she is magnificent. This is one of the reasons why. This is crocodile vinyl wallpaper, and she is going to make those seams disappear and look amazing. This wallpaper I did pick up at Amazon, so it is a designer wallpaper, but Amazon is carrying it. I will leave the link in the description box. It is fabulous. The video is not giving this wallpaper the proper stage that it deserves. I like to have a cabinet in this area for additional storage, so I located and sourced out this piece here, which ties in more with where I'm going to be going hopefully for the next 5 to 10 years, and that is bringing more gold into my decor, continuing on with my transitional style with a little bit of elegance and a little bit of sophistication. Love this piece. It's the right height. It has the warm color, the brown wood, and the doors have a gold color, but they're textured. And then it sits on a metal base. How about that for transition? It has plenty of storage, so I can place all kind of things, pillows, accessory items. A lot will be going inside of this cabinet. Now, let's talk about this wall art, which is a little bit different from the art that I typically place in my home. Now, I utilize a lot of different wall art for clients, but I wanted to start creating something with a little bit of color, and this fits the bill for me. It is gorgeous. It's abstract, but it has every single color in there that I can imagine. And sitting on this black wallpaper, it looks stunning. It looks like a piece of art, and it's so fairly inexpensive, but it looks like it was hand painted. Shout out to my sweetie for helping me hang this. The 2 chairs, they're swivel chairs. I've had those for a while, and I just reupholstered them. They were just basic, a gray color chair, and I had them reupholstered to the white. This was the same fabric that I was going to utilize for that slip cover that is missing in action for the sofa these days. Right now you see me spray fabric protector on the chairs, and this is how I'm able to keep my furniture for years. And this white chair will be no different. It seals the fabric, so if there's any type of spills, it will sit on top long enough just so that you can get something or a cloth so that you can damp spot clean the area. Enjoy the video. I had fun creating this space. Until next time, make every day a great day.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, oh, oh. It's the things that you do, it's the things you do.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.